Good afternoon, teacher and mates. It's a pleasure for me can be here, and also it's a pleasure to learn you. With this video, I want to develop my activity about my short. So before I start, I want to tell you this type of activity I usually do on Friday, because on weekends you need to receive the visit of your relatives. Um, um, for example, my mother, when she arrived, she checks everything are cleaning. So let me show you my first activity. That is clean the floor. I like it looks new, and you can see on it like okay. The second activity, does doing the laundry. I have a great washing machine, because with this machine you can washing the clothes and dry the clothes at the same time. So this machine is very efficient, so I recommend you. The next activity I usually do is clean my stuff. I like it looks perfect, because I need my kitchen will be perfect to the visit, for the visit, my mother visit. The next activity I usually do is begin my plant. Is my friend. I have only one plant in my dining room. Also, I clean my dining room every day, because in this place you have a breakfast, have a lunch, so each place needs to be clean. Okay, let's continue. Dusting. I like everything looks bright like a diamond. Though I really hate the dust in my TV. When you watch the TV, you can see the dust in the movie and the novels that you are watching. So it's very important to clean your TV, and also everything that are in the room. Finally, I want to add a phrase that I really like and want to share with you. Nothing is more exhausting than the task that never start or had. Okay, that is all. Thank you for being here. Thank you for share this moment, and see this talk. Thank you. Bye bye.